youngsters, so much talent in the change room, and they're taking Indian cricket forward in the right direction, and we're only happy to help. Share our experience and try to make an impact whenever we get a chance. But yeah, these guys are stepping up in a massive way, and that's why we are such a strong team.
How much of an impact is he making?
Watching him on the TV when I was a kid and then playing against him, and seeing the intensity at which he plays at is just phenomenal to watch. And I think it tells us what the game is all about. Giving is everything, and that's the only thing that he talks about, even off the field as well. Give your everything when you're playing on the field, and for him to be able to back his words like that is just phenomenal.
Is this the sort of thing that still drives you, Virat? These tournaments, these wins, being in and around the changing room?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, these are the things after playing so long, such a long career. You look forward to situations where you're put under pressure and you walk in and you put your hand up. And I think to win titles, which has kind of been missing in the past, the whole team has to step up in different games. And if you see this tournament over the course of 5 matches,
Khalid Al-Zamil, VP Public Affairs of Aramco, Rohit Sharma, for his innings of 76 of 83 balls in what was a tricky run chase. Rohit, I hope you can hear me with all the cheers around.
No, it's very nice. Look, we played some really good cricket through the tournament, and to come out here having the result our way, it's a great feeling. Very, very happy with how we played this game.
Over the last 2 ODI campaigns, you've been a different batter than you were earlier on. Is this something you wanted from the side? Is this something you were very comfortable with? Is it something that you thought was needed?
Yeah, look, it's obviously not natural to me, but it is something I really wanted to do, and obviously when you're trying to do something different, you need the backing of the team, you need the backing of the management, and they were right through with me. In the ODI World Cup as well, with Rahul Bhai, this is what I spoke to him, and he was very much okay with it, and now Gauti Bhai as well. So it's all about getting that backing from the team as well and the management as well, and it is something that I really wanted to do. I've played all these years in a different style, but I wanted to try and do something different and try and see if we can play differently and get our results that we were looking for. Look, not just this game, but right from the beginning, I thought our spinners in particular, just there's too much expectations, when you're playing on a pitch like that, but they never disappointed. We do understand their strength.